to answer your question, yeah, a process server could do it incorrectly. Like, for example, they serve somebody who doesn't live there. And, like, for example, you had, a person that comes in and walks your dog or cleans the house or cuts your lawn. And they serve that person thinking they live there. And they say no. Or maybe they don't tell the process server that they live there. But the process server gives the paperwork to them and goes away. Well, there are things you could do to it's called Quash service, meaning you come into the court and say, look, they served this person who didn't live here, so therefore I was never properly served. That is there are things to do, but let's take a step back. The fact remains that a spouse has a right to get a divorce, and they have the right to initiate this process without the other spouse playing games, evading service, and even if we succeed, to quash service temporarily, the spouse can still repeat and serve the person eventually. So it's not something you can avoid indefinitely. If something happens where, say you were out of town and they served somebody that didn't live there and you missed a deadline and bad things start to happen, like the court starts making all these judgments and findings and court orders, then there are things we could do to come back and undo a lot of those things if we could show you were never properly served. But again, this could get very complicated, and all the more reason why, depending on the circumstances, you should consult with an attorney.